This video shows how an employee can generate a timesheet report in Pilim. Let's start.
Employee selects Add Timesheet in the Timesheet Management. Select Customer, Start Date and fill the worked days. Click on Next. Enter standby worked hours if necessary and click on Submit for approval. Timesheet has been successfully saved. Fill in the details for the remaining weeks of the month and submit for approval. Now employee selects Timesheet Report. Select Month and clicks on Generate Report. Report has been generated successfully. Employee can download the timesheet report in PDF file. The file has been downloaded successfully.